Hello, dear viewers. Today we are here to learn and to teach based on English speaking practice, and we will try to use based on usual words which we use in our practical life every day. So let's start to learn and to listen, which will be discussed in our group discussion. Please, you can proceed.
Okay. Actually, I will answer some question which is included in our daily life,
Sure.
which is used in our daily life actually. So I will ask you Bengali sentence, and you should try to make it in English.
I will
Okay.
try my level best.
আমি খেয়েছি,
I have eaten.
আমি খেয়েছি, আমি খাইনি,
I haven't eaten.
আমরা খেয়েছি,
We have eaten.
আমরা খাইনি।
We haven't eaten. You have eaten. You haven't eaten. You have. Yeah, one is singular, another one is plural. Yeah.
Plural. Okay.
Yeah.
তারা খেয়েছে,
They have eaten.
তারা খায়নি।
They haven't eaten.
সে খেয়েছে,
He has eaten.
এখানে হ্যাজ বসলো কেন? হ্যাভ বসে না কেন?
Because he is the third person singular number. He, she, it. It means any kinds of name.
Okay, you are right.
Thank
so
you.
That means in third person singular we will use has.
Yes. Right.
Okay. So she খেয়েছে, he has eaten.
Yeah.
রাকিব খেয়ে
Rakib has eaten.
রাকিব খায়নি,
Rakib hasn't eaten.
আমার বন্ধু খেয়েছে,
My friend has eaten.
আমার বন্ধু খায়নি।
My friend hasn't eaten.
Okay, so now we will make sentence. It's we have completed simple sentence. Right now we are going to make some questions around this. আমি কি খেয়েছি?
Have I eaten?
Have I eaten? আমি কি খাইনি?
Haven't I eaten?
Okay, তো তুমি কি খেয়েছো?
Have you eaten?
তুমি কি খাওনি?
Haven't you eaten?
তারা কি খেয়েছে?
Have they eaten?
তারা কি খায়নি?
Haven't they eaten?
সে কি খেয়েছে?
Has he eaten?
Okay. রাকিব কি খেয়েছে?
Has Rakib eaten?
Has রাকিব eaten? আমার বন্ধু কি খেয়েছে?
Has my friend eaten?
আমার বন্ধু কি খায়নি?
Hasn't my friend eaten?
Okay, so in this way we can also make lots of sentence by using this structure.